Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hi, everyone. Today's episode is a big one, 30 minutes of beginner English practice.
That's right. Perfect for A1 and A2 learners.
What will we cover today?
Greetings, family, numbers, food, shopping, directions, and daily routine.
Everything a true beginner needs.
Exactly. Simple words, short sentences, real situations.
Should learners take notes?
A notebook is a great idea, but just listening and repeating is enough too.
Before we start, our small favor.
Like this episode. Subscribe to our channel.
And try our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, link in the description, to check your speaking.
Okay, let's begin your 30 minutes of English today.
Let's go. The most important ones.
Let's practice a simple introduction.
Hello, my name is Sophia. What's your name?
Hello, Sophia. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, nice. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
Perfect. Notice the pattern. My name is, I'm from, and how are you?
These are the first sentences every beginner needs.
Exactly. Let's also practice saying goodbye.
Goodbye, Sophia. It was nice meeting you.
Goodbye, Daniel. See you soon.
Perfect. Simple greetings and farewells.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Now, let's talk about family, a very common beginner topic.
Let's practice.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
That's wonderful. Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor.
That's interesting. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone, in a small apartment.
Perfect simple family vocabulary. Brother, sister, father, mother, married, single.
These words come up in almost every conversation.
Exactly. Let's practice describing your own family.
I have 1 brother. He is a doctor. My sister is a student.
Great example. Short, clear sentences are perfect for beginners. Now, let's practice numbers, time, and days essential for daily life.
Very useful topic.
Let's count together, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now, let's practice telling time.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's also practice the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. Now, a quick conversation about plans.
What are you doing on Saturday?
On Saturday, I'm going to the market. What about you?
On Sunday, I'm visiting my family.
That sounds nice.
Perfect numbers, time, and days all practiced together.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Now, a very common situation, ordering food.
My favorite topic.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken with rice, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Later, the food arrives.
Here's your chicken with rice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
At the end, Daniel asks for the bill.
Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Of course, one moment.
Perfect restaurant conversation, simple and complete.
I'd like and could I have are very useful phrases here.
Exactly. Remember these for any restaurant visit. Now, let's practice shopping. Another common beginner situation.
Let's go shopping.
Hello? Can I help you find anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a blue shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
It's right over there on the left.
Thank you.
A few minutes later.
This shirt fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great choice. That will be $20.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect, I'm looking for, and I'll take it are key shopping phrases.
Very useful for any shopping trip.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Now, let's practice asking for directions. Essential when traveling.
Let's practice. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the next corner.
Turn left? Got it. Is it far?
No, it's just 5 minutes away, on foot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Perfect. How do I get to go straight and turn left are essential direction phrases.
What if I don't understand the directions?
Let's practice asking them to repeat.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Of course, go straight, then turn left.
Thank you. Now I understand.
Perfect. Never be afraid to ask again. Now, let's practice describing a daily routine. A great way to practice simple present tense.
Let's practice.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
What do you do after that?
I have breakfast, then I go to work.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 o'clock in the evening.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually cook dinner and watch television.
And what time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep around 11 o'clock.
Perfect routine description using simple present tense throughout.
I wake up, I go, I finish. These are all simple present verbs.
Exactly. Perfect for describing daily habits and routines.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Now, let's practice pronunciation with today's key sentences. My name is Daniel.
My name is Daniel.
I have 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
I'd like the chicken with rice.
I'd like the chicken with rice.
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
How do I get to the train station?
How do I get to the train station?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Wonderful. Notice your pronunciation and confidence growing with each sentence.
Repeating out loud makes everything feel much more natural.
Let's review the most important words from today.
Family words: brother, sister, father, mother, married, single.
Perfect. Time and number words. O'clock, Monday, Tuesday, and counting 1 to 10.
Restaurant words. Order, bill, delicious.
Shopping words. Size, fitting room, take it.
Direction words. Straight, turn left, far.
And routine words. Wake up, finish work, go to sleep.
That's a lot of useful vocabulary.
Yes, but remember, all learned through real, simple conversations.
That makes it so much easier to remember.
Exactly. Context helps vocabulary stick.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Let's finish with a quick review. I'll ask. You answer in your mind or out loud.
I'm ready.
How do you introduce yourself in English?
My name is, and I'm from.
Perfect. How do you ask for the bill at a restaurant?
Could I have the bill, please?
Excellent. How do you ask for directions?
How do I get to?
Wonderful. You remembered everything from today.
This review really helps everything stay in my memory.
That's exactly the goal of today's episode. Daniel, what did we learn today?
So much. Greetings, family, numbers, food, shopping, directions, and daily routine.
All the essential topics for a true beginner.
Yes, and lots of pronunciation and speaking practice too.
What's the most important message today?
Simple sentences are powerful. You don't need complicated English to communicate well.
Exactly. Our question for you, which topic today was most useful for you?
Tell us in the comments.
Which conversation would you like us to practice more?
Share it with other learners.
Please like this episode.
Subscribe for more beginner English practice every week.
And don't forget our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, linked below.
Share this with a friend who's just starting to learn English.
It could make a real difference for them.
Thank you for learning with us.
Your English is getting better every day.
This was the English Fluency Podcast.
Until next time, keep practicing one simple sentence at a time.
You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you next week.
Happy learning!
If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.